This problem says 4 raised to power x is 40, find x. This is an exponential problem, and to solve this problem, let us apply logarithm to both sides. So we have log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 40. The left-hand side is in the form log a raised to power m, and this is expressed as m log a. Therefore, log 4 raised to power x will be expressed as x log 4, which is equal to log 40. I can divide through by log 4 on both sides. To get rid of this, and I'm simply left with x is equal to log 40 over log 4. 40 itself can be broken down into 4 times 10. So I can write x is equal to log 4 times 10, then divided by log 4. Now, the numerator is in the form log AB. This is product, and we can separate it into log A plus log B, giving us addition. Therefore, x is equal to log 4 plus log 10, and then we divide that by log 4. Let us separate this division to have x is equal to, we have log 4 divided by log 4, and then we have log 10 divided by log 4. The division of this gives us 1. Therefore, x is simplified into x is equal to 1 plus log 10 divided by log 4. A closer look at 10 tells us that we can still break it into 2 times 5, and 4 itself can be broken down into 2 times 2, or 2 squared. Therefore, x can now be written as 1 plus log 2 times 5, then divided by log 2 times 2, or log 2 squared. With the principle we applied earlier, this is just going to be 2 log 2. So we are going to have x is equal to 1 plus, we can separate this into log 2 plus log 5, then divided by, so this is 2 log 2, so we say 2 log 2 here, and then 2 log 2 here. This cancels this, we have 1, so this is just 1 over 2, and then our x now is 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 divided by log 2. Log 5 divided by log 2 is in the form log A divided by log B, which can be expressed as log A base B. Therefore, our x is now equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 base 2. We can tidy this up. This is 1 over 1, and x, let us find the LCM of 1 plus 1 over 2 is actually 3 over 2. So we have 3 over 2 here, then plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This is the final answer for x in this problem. And now we can check to see if this balances our equation. We were given 4 raised to power x. 4 raised to power x is equal to 40. Let us substitute this value into x. This gives us 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2, and this is supposed to give us 40. We apply a simple law of indices here because we have addition of powers. So we have a raised to power m plus n, which is expressed as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Therefore, we have 4 raised to power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This should be equal to 40. This is the same thing as saying square root of 4 raised to power 3, and square root of 4 is 2. So we say 2 raised to power 3. The same thing here, square root of 4 is 2. So we say 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is 40. 2 raised to power 3 here is 8. Now, there is something we are going to apply to this part of this equation, which is the law of logarithm that says that when you have a raised to power log b base a, as long as this and this are the same, the result is always this, which is equals to b. Therefore, the result in this expression here is equal to 5. Therefore, we have 8 times 5 equal to 40. So because 8 times 5 is 40, we say the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and our equation is perfectly correct. With this solution, x is equals to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.